Hey guys, hope you're all having an amazing time, and I'm here to wish you all a happy holiday. So today I just want to make some extra space in the patio because we're expecting so many visitors, so I'll just be like creating extra sitting space for our guests or for the family members who will be coming over for Christmas. So we will begin by putting up the Christmas tree and decorating it. My daughter Lexi will be helping. We are ready at the village for Christmas.
Looks so small. It's not small. But it's looking small, look.
Just because it's
It's gonna fall down. Look at it, imagine.
We'll give it some support. So our Christmas tree was poorly stored after the last holidays. So we're gonna have a lot of work to do, stretching out the leaves so that we have just the perfect Christmas tree.
Oh, that's the way we did for me.
Yeah, just spread it out. Yes, like that one. You're doing it right. Scratching me.
Same, but just a little.
You're managing?
I'm just trying to make it a bit creative.
You're being creative with it.
A bit. Oh, finally I got it out.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the flower, which is...
So I guess this is the part the kids enjoy most, decorating. And Lexi is no exception. Where do we put this? Ah, this one?
Yes, it belongs.
Yeah. No problem. We finally set up the lights. So now I'm gonna add some seats for that extra seating space. hungry?
What are we cooking?
I guess this is just the perfect sitting area for that evening tea as you watch the sun go down. I noticed I have only green plants in this area, so I decided to add a flower just to blend in the colors, so I have something colorful. This is a fast growing flower, and I guess by Christmas time it will be blooming. All the flowers will be out. So this is my view straight ahead. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.